Hey everyone, I wanted to show you really quick how I put these little swatch papers together. It's just a taped 6x9 watercolor piece of paper I keep at my work area to test pens and stuff. So I wanted to kind of just show you the process of how I start it. I'm using some acrylics here. I will put sometimes some lines, sometimes I'll put some dots, maybe dots inside of other dots, and then I'll use that gift card I have here to kind of swipe it and smear the paint. And that's kind of like the focal point or my starting point of the image. And it stays just taped on my desk. I have one here in my room inside the house at my work desk, and I have one also in my workbench at the garage. So it's right there if I want to get a pen to start working, or if I've noticed a lot that if I'm on hold with someone, like paying a bill or doctor's office, it's right there, this little swatch, and I'll kind of just start doodling and just random things. And within sometimes a few days, I've had some go for a few weeks, depending on how much time I had to be creative. And at the end, I just remove the tape, and it has a really nice edge to it, a nice border, and it's just something special that I didn't really set out to do. I had no idea of how it would turn out. So that's the initial swipe there. Kind of blend all the colors. I think I've seen videos of people doing these, and they look pretty cool with way more colors. And then I'll go ahead and I like to add my signature first, just in case, I don't get to finish it or anything. My signature's on it. And I like to make it like kind of looks like a stamp. I would love to have like a wooden stamp that I can just use and put my stamp on everything instead of drawing it every time. And then I'll write my favorite word in the universe, orale. This word is used for everything. Good things, bad things, surprising things, unbelievable things. Why are you like this? Orale says it all. So I've put that on almost every single one I have done. And it's just something that I just enjoy doing. Like I said, at the end, when I remove the tape, it has this nice little edge on it. Some of the things I don't even remember drawing. And some of them I really had a lot of fun, or I learned like, oh, I can, you can layer these types of mediums together. I know some people don't like to try and do things like that inside their sketchbooks. So having this little swatch is actually pretty cool. But I have a collection so far, so I wanted to share that with you. But this is the setup. And yeah, so thank you for watching.